Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a dinosaur. Yeah! It's not dinosaur. Let's do it again, kids. Up above. Ready? Up above. 1, 2, 3. Up above the world so high, like a dynamite. No! It's not dynamite. Hindi nga, it's not. Let's do it again one last time. Kalo ipanggata lang for kids. For kids na. One last time. Ready? Up above. 1, 2, 3. Up above the world so high, like a diaper. No! Sana for kids. No! That's not what I meant. For kids, what is he supposed to say? Ayun. Bakit sinabi? Pagkano lang. His second talent, he can imitate the sounds of the animals. Now, what is the sound of a dog? What is the sound of a cat? Meow, meow. What is the sound of a cow? Meow. What is the sound of a pig? Oink, oink, oink. Oh, sit down. What is the sound of a mouse? Alright, what else? What is the sound of a dinosaur? What's the sound of a dinosaur? I love you, dinosaur. Ay! Dinosaur, participants. Maganda naman. Yung mga bata ba nakakaintindi ng Tagalog? Alright, sige. Okay, very good. Do you guys go to school? Oy, atin-atin na lang to. Habon nyo nang i-upload para pag nag-flop tayo. We're gonna go impromptu today. Practice lang din for me. Yung madali lang, fraction! Sige, fraction. Okay, meron akong one whole bond paper. Sa fraction, ano siya? One whole. Hinati ko sa gitna, 1/2. Hinati ko pa, 1/4. Hinati ko ulit, 1/8. Hinati ko pa, 1/16. Ano ba nga? 1/32. Wala pa. Hahatiin ko din yun. Hirapan mo, hirapan ko. Hirapan ko daw. Sigurado ka. Nga. Sige. Hinati ko pa, hinati ko pa. Ano ngayon meron ako? Basura. Sit down. Go back to your seats. Alright, now.